Hey, it's Brian Garamardella here at MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to look at a 2025 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This is a fun boat and a good boat for kids, use as a tender, or if you just want to zip around some inner harbor, inner water bays. This boat comes complete with this trailer. We've got the nice blue hull here, and it comes with the bow rail. Now this boat only drafts 9 inches of water, so if you would like to get into some skinny water spots, this is the boat for that. This boat is outfitted with a 40 horsepower engine, gives you top speed right around 31, 33 miles per hour. You have a navy blue sun top here. You got a boarding ladder. And most importantly, and something I really prefer, and a lot of other Super Sport owners prefer as well, your inner grab rails here. So you do have this bench seat here. You can, at the dealer level, get bucket seats put in with backrests. But these side rails are really, they really come in handy on this boat. This is a fun boat. It's quick and comes with a 6.5 gallon fuel tank. So even though it doesn't sound like much, with this size engine and the weight of this boat, you could get pretty far. Coming towards the bow area, this is where you'll store your anchor. So right in here, with the anchor MarineMax gives you, we store that in there. This is your tie-off cleat here, and integrated into the navigation light on the bow. It's shaped out here so the line can run in the groove, so nothing will get ruined there. You've got the windshield option on this boat here. You got your RPMs on your starboard side. We got a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet there, a cup holder. Your anchor light is stowed right below the binnacle there, and it goes into a receptacle on the starboard side of the helm. You've got 2 cleats on your port and starboard side of the engines, and your engine batteries stored right on the port side underneath the bench seat. If you're interested in this Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.